Hello there, I'm Stacey from Ultrimax, and today I'm going to go over fisheyes in your paint, or otherwise known as silicone contamination or cratering. These are small circular crater-like openings or round depressions that appear during or immediately after the spray application. This is usually caused when the surface being painted is contaminated by grease, oil, diesel fuel, silicone, or a wax-based protective coating or polish. It can also be caused by the booth air intake being contaminated with silicone or other contaminants. To repair the defect, when the paint coating is still wet, remove the film with solvent, clean off the contaminants, and then refinish. If the fisheyes are appearing in the first coat, you should allow the colour to flash, then spray a mist coat over the affected area. If, however, the paint has dried, you should sand to a smooth finish below the fisheye cratering and then refinish. Before the application of a paint coating, you should thoroughly cleanse the surface with detergent and hot water, followed by the recommended solvent cleaner. After that, you should wipe the surface dry with a clean rag. You will also need to install an air filtering system that removes and prevents oil and moisture contamination, and then maintain the air supply by draining, cleaning, and changing the filters on a regular basis. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. You can also view our previous video on delamination by clicking here.